Hello friends, I'm going to teach you a new design in watercolors today. I have A4 size sheets, 300 GSM. Material required to make a watercolor painting is paper, a palette in which we will make the colors, watercolor cakes or tubes, water, a rough cloth to wipe the brushes, and brushes of different sizes. I have poured water in my palette, and these are the paints. I will wet the brush, and whichever color I want to make, I will take color from the palette and dissolve in the water. Then wash the brush and wipe it. I have prepared red color, yellow color, and now I am preparing the blue color. So few drops of water in the paint. Next I am preparing the brown color. So I will take the wet brush and put the brown color in the palette. And now I have added water in it and my brown color is ready. I have prepared 2 shades of green color. Now you can see my palette has few colors which I am going to use for painting. We will start painting now. So first step, I am going to take water in my brush and I am wetting only the portion where I want to give color, so that my color will not spread unnecessarily on all the places. So only this much part I have put little bit of water. Now next step is I'm going to take a thin brush. It is 00 number brush, and I will start with the dark purple color and give some lines here. As you can see, when paper is wet, the color itself is spreading. It will take 2 minutes for color to spread. We will wash the brush, and now this time I am taking the light purple or mauve color, giving little petal shade. Let's see how it comes. This is the beauty of watercolor, that it spreads on its own. It takes 5-7 minutes and it will spread on its own. Our sunflowers are ready, and now we have to give the yellow portion, pollen portion, in between the flowers. So we will give, some of them are not yet fully dry, so we will wait. In the meantime, we can wash our brush and start making the petals. You can see it's very watery paint. Okay, and again I will put water here, and on the water show the leaves, show the foliage, green color, and in between we will wash the brush again, and we will draw some big leaves. As you can see, I have wet the paper, and now I am using sap green color to give the base color. And just shading on it. And after some time, we will see the watercolor itself will spread. Okay, so we will wash the brush again, and here we will make another leaf. First step is to wet the paper, then apply this green color, then apply the dark green color and leave it. Automatically it will spread. It will become like this. Again, I'm washing the brush. Here I want to make one more leaf. So you can see I'm applying water first, and then this time I'm applying yellow color on one side, and then next is green color which is merging, and third is the dark green color. So now this leaf has combination of three colors. In between there are little white patches which we can leave like that. Now I've taken brown color in my brush and I'm trying to give some illusion of stem, and some leaves will emerge from the stem, some grass. Also on the leaf we can give a line of brown color just to show the veins mixed with green color. Just random strokes. Now I'm going to make some small leaves. So I will make a leaf like this. Press the brush. Press here, then press properly and give little shape. Same. Give little shape. One leaf is ready. I'm going to make second one. Remember, paper is wet, only that much part is wet. And now I'm giving a proper shape. Wash your brush, and again when we want to make leaf here, see, I'm wetting the paper. Very important in watercolor that you wet the paper. Now take the green color and apply on the wet paper and give a proper shape. Watercolor will easily spread if paper is wet, and the beauty will be very different from if paper is not wet. Now we are going to make a big flower in the shades of blue and light purple and dark purple. So as you can see, I have wet the paper. I am going to give the touch of purple color here. Wash the brush. Take the blue color. Spread the blue color. And now I am mixing these two colors, just to give a shading impression. So our flower is ready, and we'll wait for this to get dry. Next flower I'm going to make in the shades of red. So I have to wet the paper. Wet only that much portion which is needed. Okay, otherwise your color will smudge on all over the paper. You can see the beauty of watercolor. The moment we put on the wet paper, how beautifully it spreads. As you all can see, my water became dirty. So I have changed the water. In watercolor painting, it's very important to keep on changing the water time to time. Now I'm going to use this big brush. Okay, it's a big soft brush which is available everywhere. I think it's easily available in Singapore and these countries. And I'm going to give water. I'm going to put water here because I want to draw a very big flower. So normally 6 or 8 petal flower. So now paper surface is wet. I have applied orange color here and you can see it's forming the shape of a petal. Then next one, then next one. Remember, our paper was already wet. Because paper was wet, so color is spreading easily. It's your choice which colors to use. I like bright colors, so I'm using bright colors. It's purely your choice. Our paper is wet and I'm going to make leaves here, small leaves, just to give feeling of green space. Some leaves may superimpose on the bigger leaves, it's okay. It shows that big leaf is in the background. We are making small leaves. So as you saw, we wet the paper beforehand. Now we have to make some very small grass type thing. So I showed you in the beginning, I have some green color ready. I'm using that green color to show the grass everywhere. Just random strokes. And it will help us to fill the paper also. So this much work is ready. Now I'll wash the brush, and last thing, I will take this brown color. I will load my brush with brown color, and in between I'm going to show some pollen. And now take the dark green color and show the veins in the leaf.